this next news, it's about our government, DOJ, Department of Justice, is demanding again to Timor-Leste to the fire, to the limit, to return or to give Tebes to us. Ha? Okay, you listen. Ha? You listen carefully and I will explain it to you. Ha?
Hinimok ng Department of Justice ang Timor-Leste na ipa-deport na ang
Hinimok, encourage, forcefully encourage to return Kong Tebes to our country because what?
si Arnie Tevez matapos umanong magtangkang manuhol ang anak.
Because the son of Congressman Tebes tried to bribe the security of Tebes in the jail in Timor-Leste. But I have a question over here. Pathetic. The question is this. How come the Carabao? How come the Carabao? How come DOJ would know about this? They are more learner, they are more informed than Timor-Leste. How come DOJ knows about this?
Ayon sa DOJ, sinuhulan na umano ng anak ni Tevez ang mga miyembro ng Criminal Investigation.
The son of Arnold Potebes Jr. allegedly bribed a member of the Criminal Investigation Police in Timor-Leste in exchange for special treatment of his father while in detention. The question is, how did you know? How did you know that the son of Arnold Potebes bribed the police of Timor-Leste? Are you telling now that the Timor-Leste are ignorant of this? That's what you're telling us, DOJ? Timor-Leste is not well informed because you are the only one who said that. It's supposed to be Timor-Leste who would expose that. Do you understand? You know what I mean? You know? You know what I mean? You know? It has to be Timor-Leste who would say that to the media, not DOJ. How come DOJ knows about it? Are you telling that Timor-Leste is stupid and you are good? You know more than them? How come? Shit.
Police sa Timor-Leste kapalit ng special treatment para sa amang nasa detention facility. $2,000 o higit 114,000 pesos.
This is even an insult. Why? Report said that the son of Tebes Jr. offered a bribe to PCIC member in the amount of $2,000. Congressman Tebes is a billionaire, a millionaire, a very, very rich guy, and he will bribe the policeman with $2,000 only? That is not realistic. How come only $2,000 the bribe? That's only $114,000. The workers in the Philippines earn that in one night. $2,000 US. Now you're telling me that is the amount of the principal of Timor-Leste? DOJ, is that what you're trying to say right here, right now?
Ang inalok umano ng anak ni Teves kapalit ng seguridad at special treatment sa kanyang ama sa loob at labas ng Bicol.
Would you believe this? No. This is a serious matter, huh? This is a serious matter. Would you believe that the bribe is only $2,000 US? Coming from a millionaire in the Philippines, only $2,000? Our corrupt government officials, they pay the stupid bloggers in the Philippines for 400,000 pesos. That is almost 8,000 US dollars. Those are stupid bloggers in the Philippines. The bangag bloggers. You know bangag bloggers? Bangag blogger is the addictus bloggers. They pay 8,000 US dollar. Now you're telling me that the police in Timor-Leste only worth 2,000 US dollar? That's pathetic. That's horrible.
Cora Prison. Nakakulong ngayon si Teves sa Timor-Leste habang hinihintay ang kanyang extradition o deportation. Maaso nang arestuhin si Teves sa bisa ng Red Notice ng Interpol. Wanted siya dito sa Pilipinas sa mga kasong korupsyon, suspected terrorism at pagkakasangkot sa pagpatay kay dating Negros Oriental Governor Roel Degamo. Mga kapatid,
Now, Timor-Leste, are you not going to... Are you... Puro are you eh. Are you not going to disprove this or disagree with this? This is the accusation of the Philippine government to your government, Timor-Leste, that you are only cheap. You are only worth 2,000 US dollar. Would you believe that? Would you? Would you believe that, Timor-Leste, that's your price, 2,000 US dollar? Coming from the Department of Justice of the Philippine Island Government. Bakero. That is, sabi nga ni LK said, how insulting. So please, have mercy. Have mercy on our government stupidity. They are not in the right mind. I don't know what are they talking about. Oh, this is correct. Look at the chat group, Timor-Leste. Look. Stop, look, and listen. You listen. That's a big insult to the officer of Timor-Leste. Leche, anong leche? The Wanderer. Oh. Look at the chat of the people around here. They're telling that that our government is insulting Timor-Leste. Can you just you understand? Can you accept that? Okay? That's my topic on Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste, the people here said they are having a headache. They are having a headache and because of my English. I hope you're not. One moderator said, "Are you BBM ... So that I would be, you know. Any person from Timor-Leste here, I will understand if you file a diplomatic protest against our country. Maybe they would file a diplomatic protest against Banat Bay for making their head ache. Unbelievable! Okay, so Timor-Leste, do not listen to our government for their stupidity and ignorance of being ridiculous and aggressive and nonetheless I like to use that. Nonetheless, for being nonsense. Okay? For being insane. Okay?